And then a blinding flash of light suddenly whisked her away. Her ancestor said the first name is Adego. So then Jasmine asked, and what does that name mean? So then her ancestor responded, Ada means firstborn daughter, and Ego means money. So together, Adego means daughter of wealth. Jasmine says she likes that name a lot, but then she got a little bit more curious. She asked, if I give my daughter the name Adego, what type of personality traits will that give her? So then her ancestor looked at her and said, that's a great question.